Good morning, dear students. Welcome to you all in today's lecture. First of all, we see in last lecture we had learned the introductory part of evolution of an OB. Let's we continue with the next part is that industrial revolution. The industrial revolution was responsible for planting the seed for potential improvement. Industry created surplus goods and knowledge that eventually gave worker increased wages, shorter hours and more work satisfaction. In this new industrial environment, Robert Owen, a young Welsh factory owner about the year 18th century, was one of the first to emphasize the human needs of employees. He refused to employ young children. He taught his worker cleanliness, temperance, and improved their working conditions. Owen could demonstrate in his own factory that is paid to devote as much attention to vital machines as to inanimate machines. His method entitled him to be called the father of personnel management. This could hardly be called modern organizational behavior, but a beginning in that direction was, however, made. Dear students, in that industrial revolution, the environment of factory is what improved, and this stage is starting at the time of industrial revolution. So it is what a planting a seed in that, and what changes we seen into the organization, a surplus goods and knowledge that eventually gave workers increased wage, shorter hours and more work satisfaction. Means the end झाला. What the in the industry there are long hours, problems of wage and number of problem related to job, so they are not satisfied, but all these things eventually end into what? This industrial revolution, and more worker are more satisfaction. In this new industrial environment, who is the devotee? The Robert Owen. He is a young Welsh factory owner, and what he did, he first refused to employ young children. Means what? Little bit junior, means below 18 years, boys, girls are not allowed to work. He taught his worker cleanliness, temperance and improved their working condition. Means what? He gives a fine environment for working. Next, what? Owen could demonstrate in his own factory that it's paid devote and much attention to vital machines. Means what? Important machine is what? Who? Human being, not a inanimate machines. Means what? Who is not live. Okay. His method entitled him to be called the, so what? Father of personnel management. So for this work or a working method, he is called to a father of personnel management. This could hardly be called modern organizational behavior, because change of workouts and work satisfaction to the employee, in this change we call what? Modern organizational behavior. Next, what? In 1835, Andrew Urey published his The Philosophy of Manufactures, in which they include the human factor as one of the factors of production. Besides the mechanical and commercial parts, believing in the importance of the human factor, Urey provided workers with hot tea, medical treatment, and sickness payment. In a 18 one work into the 18th century, and after 1835, who is devotee Andrew Urey, he published his the philosophy of manufactures, means he in that he give a number of details how to complete a task in a commercial part or in a production system, and how treat to the human being, and he treat into the organization, and he in that between he provide a hot tea, medical treatment, and sickness payments to the employee, and this is human activity. So he also one devotee for that industrial revolution. And next is what, nearer home around his time, J.N. Tata took a special interest in the welfare of his workers. He installed the first humidifier and fire sprinklers in his factories. Afterwards, what, who is again the devotee? J.N. Tata. Okay, what he is doing for the workers? He provide the humidifiers and fire sprinkler system into the organization or a factory. Humidifier means what, dear students? The cylinder which save us to from fire. Okay, and fire sprinklers, always you seen into the malls, there are small sprinkle above our head, means what, at a top inside of the what you called, there is a number of lines at mall. I thought you are seen into means when there is a fire, automatically they are blush, and what, they are helped to rescue from that fire. There is some gas and it helps to reduce the fire. Okay, next what, in 1886 he instituted a pension fund. This is the most important devotion of that J.N. Tata. What, he introduced a first what, pension fund, and in 1895 began to pay accident compensation if employee had any accident into the organization, and for that they are paying the compensation, means what, a money. He was a decades ahead of his time and miles ahead of his competitors. Mr. J.N. Tata is too much ahead with his competitors. The Impress Mills experiment showed that not only profit but people matter to him, means what, machines, he is giving the importance of the people, not for the machine, and this is what the behavior towards the employee. This way today we complete the small point of industrial revolution. In next lecture we go ahead with a scientific management. For today, thank you.